Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 16th when I'm recording this, and they had a pretty good day today as far as guiding where the market would do, so I wanted to show you guys what that all looked like. And if we come in up here, let me actually bring you to the beginning of today. So let's get my cursor. So there you go. So you can see this morning, this is my pre-market post. And basically I was going through and said, you know, the market's up and it's kind of running into all this resistance area like this. And typically after that, price tends to rest a bit. And so this is what I was saying. And I think that we should be expecting price to kind of chill out probably today, something around that. And then I was saying that I also think that at this point, my assumption is that any significant pullbacks will be into support. So that we will have to see if that ages well into the future. But then other than that, you know, kind of talking about the internals. And so I'm trying to show you guys that if you're wondering or questioning if you want to come into the Moxie room and see what it's like, here you go. This is what I'm trying to show you that I do. And I try to guide people as to what's going on. And these internals are part of the reason why I said, hey, I think today's going to be a rest day. And by the end of the day, that's pretty much what's happening. So we had AMD, we took a trade on that. So even though the market's rested today, AMD shot up. So we're happy that we were in that one. And then, yeah, if we come over through here, I was talking about how we can see this is down here on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. So telling people on the lower time frames, like what's going to be happening. And I said, you know, we should be, here's a inverse trampoline move, which means price is not going to go up. It should be going down. And then, you know, I don't think today will be a down day necessarily, but I do think it's going to rest. And I would argue that today was pretty much just kind of a fade type of day. And then, yeah, coming into the close, you know, we got that cascade that I was talking about on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. And then, yeah, we need to see if the market's going to flag or pull back over the next few days. And so if we actually take that and look at the market, you can look at the SPY or the NASDAQ. You can see here that, in fact, yeah, we ran up a little bit and then we just kind of faded off. So I guess you could say it's a little bit of a down day, but honestly, right now I'm calling it a sideways day. You know, we opened up a little bit, came down a little bit. We really didn't move that much, and just kind of a chill out kind of day. So, yep, that's kind of what I was saying. So if you guys had any questions about the Moxie indicator room, I have been seeing that there's the bell. I have been seeing that we've gotten some new people in there, so welcome, and I want to make sure you guys are good and feeling at home. But indeed, come on over to simplertrading.com/Moxie if you guys were curious, and come on in. You can try that trial and see if it fits for you. All right, thanks again. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.